So today he will be decorated with balloons and not.
Ele tá pedindo pro senhor liberar o Ramachandra hoje para fazer o arco de balões, porque ele trabalha na loja, né? Ele pediu para ele fazer, eu falei, é só se o Sundara liberar ele, porque ele é o nosso fazedor de arcos. Ele é o nosso fazedor de arcos. O senhor que é o patrão, né? Então, um pedido desse, né?
Who has question?
I got a question. Gurudev, I got a question. That other day we were listening Ramanujacharya Harikatha at the temple. We are at the temple. So we are telling stories about Ramanujacharya. And you also tell the story about Kuresh, right? And compare him with Srila Bhakti Pragyana Keshava Goswami Maharaj. And there is one story that I've listened to you to tell, but for a long time I don't hear you to tell this story about the three disciples of Ramanujacharya that they give some special cities so he can construct the temple. Can you tell us this story? You remember?
Once Ramanujacharya he told his disciples, I want to build the temple. That time how the money will get.
Yeah.
That time he has, I think, 4 disciples. They know some mystic power. They come in the palace of king. And they have to steal the money.
Yeah.
And that katha is there also.
Yeah.
Then finally also they also died also. Then Ramanujacharya in this way built the temple.
Yeah. What was the different cities about stepping in the shadow and walking in the water? What were
4 disciples were there. Actually, that time one is very easy to walk on the water because the king he also kept all the money in the middle of the one big pond or something. But how will go that place? So one disciple is very expert. He knew some mystic power, so he can walk on the water. So he went to another mystery how to open the lock. So another you look in this way they stole the money and then they built that big temple.
Srirangam? Which temple?
Srirangam temple, the big temple is there. Millions of dollars they also spent. Because Ramanujacharya, everything belongs to God. People are thinking, oh, this is what is called. You are breaking the
my money
rules. But when actually this money is coming from where? Many people they also did bad things and they corrupt and their money. And their money should be served through Krishna. Krishna said. But this teaching not to everybody. Ramanujacharya is powerful acharya. So he did this. If you not these things, if you thinking I also steal money from the then big problem will come. This example are different.
Also, people sometimes compare Srila Bhaktisiddhanta with Ramanujacharya because he got some teachings of Ramanujacharya that he...
No, our Gaudiya Sampradaya, Mahaprabhu did not create any what is called special sampradayas. He took the different 4 sampradayas, they took their teaching. How to teach in this sampradaya, 6 sampradayas, Shuddha Sadachar. Good behavior and how to their nistha with the Ishtadeva.
E também como ter nista com a sua
Eh,
Istadeva, com a sua
Ramanujacharya,
entidade
their
adorável.
nistha understands steadiness with the Ishtadeva. One, they will not go in the temple of any demigod and
Não
demigod.
entram em nenhum templo de nenhum semideus ou
Anna
semideusa.
Dev Deva Puja Kobuna Kariva. You should not worship
Você não
eh,
deve
any demigod
adorar nenhum
demigod
semideus
except
ou
Krishna.
semideus.
One point is the
Além de
Krishna.
Krishna, você não deve adorar
So in the
ninguém.
same way,
Direcionado
Ramana
a Krishna.
Sampradayas,
Então, da mesma
they are
maneira,
Ishtadev Lakshmi Narayan.
a Istadeva da
Eh?
Sri Sampradaya é
And they
Lakshmi
also, one point is the Lakshmi
Eles são
Narayan.
unidirecionados a
Eh?
Lakshmi Narayana.
Even they will be die and what is called enter in the fire, but they will not go
Eles preferem morrer
in
se
the
jogando no
temple
fogo
of
do que
other demigod
entrar
demigod.
no templo do semideus.
When Ramanujacharya, he was the temple
Quando
president
Ramanujacharya
of
estava o
Jagannath Puri.
presidente do
That time
templo de Jagannath
Ramanujacharya, he noticed
Ele percebeu
some pujaris,
que alguns pujaris
they are not following the rules.
não seguiam as
Sing
regras,
the Betelnut
mastigavam
Mhm.
nós de pedra
and worship Thakurji.
e adoravam
So
Thakurji.
Ramanujacharya, he also changed that the pujari.
Mudou aquele pujari.
Huh? Then all the pujaris, they complained to Lord Jagannath.
Reclamaram ao Senhor
Oh,
Jagannath.
new president has
Olha,
come,
presidente novo
temple
veio,
president has come and kicked out us to your service.
mandou a gente
Then
embora,
Lord
tirou a gente do
Jagannath,
serviço. E aí
he
o Senhor
took
Jagannath
Ramanujacharya's bed.
pegou a
Ramanujacharya
cama
was
de
sleeping on the
Ramanujacharya,
bed
ele estava dormindo
and
na
took
cama,
the bed
e
and
aí
threw
pegou essa cama,
and on the temple of
jogou
Shiv
lá para
temple.
um templo do Senhor Shiva.
When early in the morning
E aí de
Ramanujacharya, he
manhã,
wake
quando
up.
Ramanujacharya acordou,
Eh?
Was at Shiva temple.
Yes, it is Shiva temple. Then Ramanujacharya he asked to Lord Jagannath, what is my fault?
ele pensou e
Then
orou
Lord
pro
Jagannath, he
Senhor
told,
Jagannath, dizendo, o que eu fiz de
Eh?
errado? E aí Jagannath disse para ele,
This pujari,
esse pujari
he's one pointed with me.
é
And
unidirecionado
especially
a
they
mim.
are Jagannath Basi, resident
Ele é
of Jagannath.
Jagannath Basi, né? Residente de
Eh?
Jagannath Puri.
So why disturb you?
Então por que
Then
perturbar?
Ramanujacharya he asked to Lord
Aí
Jagannath,
Ramanujacharya
okay,
perguntou,
you
"Tá
may
bom,
kicked out from the temple, no problem. But why did you put me in the temple of
Shiva.
Shiva
por que
temple?
você me colocou aqui dentro
Eh?
do templo de Shiva?"
That time Lord Jagannath
E
he
aí o
also
Senhor
told,
Jagannath, ele disse,
actually this is not the Shiva temple. People are thinking there is a Shiva Murti,
pessoas pensam que
Shiva Lingam. Actually this is called the Kurma
na
Devata.
verdade ele é Kurmadeva.
Kurma Devata only.
Ah,
Kurmavatar.
Kurma.
Kurma Avatar.
But people are thinking this is
Shiva.
Shiva temple.
Ah.
Then Ramanujacharya. So in showing to their how to want nishtha, steadiness with the Ishtadeva. Ramanu Sampradaya this is the and Suddha Sadachar.
Também estuda Sadachara,
Good
bom
behavior.
comportamento.
Understand?
Yeah.
Isso a gente aprende da
So this he used it to these teachings,
This
Srila
is
Bhaktisiddhanta.
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. He teaches practice. Yesterday he told, okay, we
Upadesh.
consider to you are Westerners, you are
Ele
naked, can do.
falou, ah, que os
Hey,
ocidentais
nonsense.
podem ficar pelados,
Get this philosophy.
noção de
Yeah.
viver essa filosofia.
Anyway.
Pagal. Pagal philosophy.
Filosofia
Are
sem paga.
instruction for everybody. You are
Instruções são
Westerner
para
or
todos,
Indian,
você
this is not.
ocidental ou indiano.
So what is meaning of Nahang Vipro Nacha Narapati Na
Porque
Vaisya
senão
Na
qual
Sudra Na
o
Birsu Bani
significado de
Gita.
Naham Viprona Charapati, não sou um brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudra, não sou...
We will not following, not
Você não está seguindo.
not what is called. And not able to follow this
Você
is
não é
another.
capaz de seguir,
Mm.
isso é
Eh?
outra coisa.
Because conditional soul,
Que é uma condicionada.
they are called
Weakness of heart.
weakness of heart.
Que é uma condicionada, tem
Eh?
a fraqueza do
This is only,
coração.
that means not, oh, you are menstrual, you can drink alcohol, come to the temple, okay. Haribol, Haribol. Hey!
Haribol, Haribol.
Or I am Indian, I
Eu
cannot
sou
come.
indiano, eu não.
Drinking alcohol. Eh? It's not such.
Não é assim.
Rules for everyone.
As regras
Suddha Sadachara.
são para todos.
Huh?
Suddha Sadachara.
Understand? Not you say, oh, I am Western, so I am drinking alcohol and coming and drinking Haribol, Haribol, Haribol.
Dançar, Haribol, Haribol.
And I'll do puja
E
Thakurji.
eu posso fazer o puja do Thakuraji.
No.
Cook.
Não.
I will cook
Eu vou cozinhar
because I am Westerner.
porque eu sou ocidental.
Huh? You cannot say this.
Você não pode dizer isso.
You have to, everybody follow to
Todos
the
devem seguir
rules.
as regras.
You cannot do this another things. How
Você
to
não pode fazer outra
slowly,
coisa.
slowly to follow the rules step by
Mas aos
step.
poucos você deve seguir as regras.
Understand?
Passo a passo.
Okay, you cannot follow the another service. And
Segue
in the
tudo,
temple.
Você não consegue
Uhum.
seguir as regras, faz outro serviço.
Now you are
ali.
thinking, I will not follow that.
The
For
rules.
Peninsular also I
Vai
will cook.
pensar, não siga os
That
passos,
prasad will not
siga,
have
eu
to
vou
lay,
cozinhar.
accept.
Thakuraji não vai aceitar essa prachada.
This is to understand.
True.
Yes, this is the thing. This is the rule which is there. So Ramanujacharya, this is Bhakti Mahaprabhu taking
Ele
Ramanujacharya
aceitou
Sampradaya
da
Suddha
Sampradaya,
Sadachara.
Suddha Sadachara, bom comportamento dos Vaishnavas.
Understand? Madhya Sampradaya,
Da
Mahaprabhu
Sampradaya,
accept
Mahaprabhu, ele aceitou
two things.
duas
That
coisas.
is called Dvaitavad, dualism.
Dvaitavad, que é o dualismo.
Dualism is there. Understand? That is called Sanskrit word they call Vedavad. Different.
Vedavad.
Jive Jive Ved, Isare Jive Ved, Jade Jive Ved, Jade Jade Ved, Jade Isare Ved, Panchaved. Very clearly explained this. Mahaprabhu explained. And also Sri Sampradaya, Brahma Sampradaya has one very nice, beautiful this thing. Madhacharya's mood is also very good. There is called some Gopi Bhav in their heart.
Gopi Bhava.
Madhacharya established 4 temples. But in the temples, there are the 2 sannyasis. They have to be served this service. That is called Gopi Bhav also there. And Madhacharya, he also established that is all. And Krishna who is chanting the, who? Dadimandhan Danda, who hold the shining stick, that Gopal. There is a Braj Bhav is there.
Então, Braj Bhava, o amor de Braj.
Understand? Without Braj Bhav, Bhakti is useless.
Bhakti é inútil.
Braj Bhav is there. Arthat, Vishnu Swami Sampradaya, that is Vatsalya Bhav is there.
Vatsalya Bhava,
And Ali Balavacharya,
assim como
Vishnu
Vallabhacharya.
Swami, Vatsalya Bhav is there. Or Nimarka Sampradaya,
E da Nimbarka
there are some,
Sampradaya,
before they worship
antes,
Rukmini,
eles
Krishna.
adoravam
But
Rukmini
when
Krishna.
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained this at that time, also they worship Radha Krishna.
Radha Krishna.
But they worship Radha Krishna in the Sakya
Mas
mode.
eles adoram Radha Krishna
They are,
no casado.
They.
Só que
And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu prayed that
mas
the
Chaitanya
Braj
Mahaprabhu, ele
Parakya
pregou o Braj Parakya Bhava.
Aradho Bhagavan Brajisya Tanaya Tadhamam Vrindavanam Ramma Kachid Vasana Brajabudhu Varganija Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramana Amalang Prema Pumartama Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Mahatamidam Tatradaro. So this is the Parakya Bhavi there.
Então, Parakya
Mahaprabhu established
estabeleceu
2 things. Achinta Vedave Tattva Siddhanta. What do you call?
Achinta Veda Veda Tattva Siddhanta.
And Braj
e
Parakya.
Braj Parakya Bhava.
Understand this? Braj Parakya. This Parakya Bhav, when Paramur mood, only manifest in Braj, in the heart of Braj Gopi.
Braj no
Braj
coração das
Vina
Braj
tar Anna Nai Prakash. Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwaraka, Mathura, not possible. Only
Em Vaikunta, Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura não é possível, só em Braj.
Upadhyaya Mahaprabhu, Tattva Siddhanta and Rasa
Mahaprabhu,
Siddhanta.
Tattva Siddhanta e Rasa
Then
Siddhanta.
Mahaprabhu explained
Assim,
this.
Mahaprabhu explicou tudo isso.
And so far this is called Achinta Vedabhed
Se chama Achinta
Tattva
Veda Veda
Siddhanta.
Tattva Siddhanta.
So our Sampradaya Vichar is that.
Então, essa é a concepção da nossa Sampradaya.
Otherwise, Gaur Pramanam.
Hare Hare Bol.
What kind of Gopi Bhava Madhvacharya
Tipo de
was
Gopi
preaching?
Bhava, Madhvacharya.
Huh?
What kind of Gopi Bhava Madhvacharya was preaching?
No, he pretty much he noticed this thing that
Ele percebeu.
as like he had the Krishna.
Olha,
That the Madhacharya established that the Krishna. Who is Krishna?
qual Krishna?
Vaidnandan Samsundar Krishna.
Rajendranandana chama
Who is holding the sun, what is called?
Turning
True.
Stick.
Turning stick.
Yoga chanting stick.
Então,
That
agora
is
meu
very
lado para
important.
bater o iogurte. Isso é muito
Understand?
importante.
That Krishna.
Esse Krishna.
Vaidnandan Samsundar.
Rajendranandana
Or that
chama-
Krishna is called
E esse Krishna,
Vaidnandan Samsundar.
ele é Rajendranandana.
So for this regard, the Aradho Bhagavan Brajesattanaya.
Chaitanya.
They are in this word Brajesattanaya.
Brajesha Tanaya.
Who will say he is Brajesattanaya?
Pode dizer que ele
Gopis
é
can
Brajesha
say.
Tanaya. As Gopis.
Eh? Understand? Jasodanandan and Sama Sundar. And this mood is what? And some Vatsala mood there. But when the Brajesattanaya,
Yashodanandana Shyamasundara
Brajasatana means who is the
Bhava, mas
son
quando fala
of
Brajeshatanaya,
Nanda Maharaj.
filho de Nanda Maharaj.
That is called Dhir Lalit
Ele
Naya.
é Dhira Lalit Naya.
A little bit, maybe not so easy to understand.
Talvez não seja tão fácil
Yeah,
de entender.
Brajasatana, Braja
O que que
Isa
é
Brajesa.
Brajeshatanaya? Braja-
Who is the king of Braj?
Quem é o rei de Braj?
Krishna, no.
Krishna,
Who is
não.
the king of
Quem é o
Braj?
rei de Braj?
Nanda Maharaj.
Maharaj.
Are his Tanai son.
E
Who is son?
Brajeshatanaya,
That is called
Tanaya,
Dhir
quer dizer
Lalit
filho.
Naya
Naya
Krishna.
Nanda Maharaj é
Brajeshatan.
Krishna, que é Dhira Lalit Naya.
This mood is there also. And Jasodanandan
Yashodananda,
and Sama Sundar. When Jasodanandan may be Vatsal Babu will come.
talvez Vatsalya Babu, mas
Eh?
Vatsalya Babu.
But when
Você
Sama
fala
Sundar,
Yashodananda.
Brajasatana,
Mas
that time,
chama
Madhurya
Sundari,
Mohan.
Brajeshatanayas é um monte de
for the Raghupati Upadhyay, he quoted that verse. Or the verse. And Shruti Mapari. Shruti Mapari, Smriti Mapari. Raghupati Upadhyay, he also, Mahaprabhu asks, hey, you explain about Krishna. That time you know?
Pediu para ele explicar sobre Krishna.
Huh? Are many times you see Chaitanya Charitamrita. But who is Krishna? Vaidnandana Samson. Are you
Only two names of Krishna, this one.
Krishna, Brajasatana Krishna that time. Samam is Sameva Paramarupam. What is the best
Qual é a melhor
form of Krishna?
forma de Krishna?
That time Brajasatana Samson that Krishna.
E a resposta é Brajeshatanaya.
This is the process.
Krishna. Brajendranandana chama Sundara.
Samrup. Samrup, this is the Moir Punchadhari, who always
Chamarupa, ou seja,
holds
aquele
the
Krishna que
peak
sempre
of
tem uma
feather
pena de
on
pavão
his
ao
head.
seu turbante na sua cabeça.
Mahaprabhu also called Krishna. Who is Krishna?
Mahaprabhu disse qual Krishna?
Vaidnandana Samson that Krishna.
Brajendranandana chama Sundara.
In Chaitanya Charitamrita,
Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Mahaprabhu asked Upadhyay.
Mahaprabhu
The
perguntou
three
para...
questions is there.
Tem três perguntas.
That time he explained it. So Dhir Lalita Nayak. So Madhacharya in Sampradaya, actually they forgot. They
Então, Madhvacharya, a sampradaya deles, eles,
forgot.
na verdade, se
They are
esqueceram.
thinking they are Tattvavadi.
Eles
So
pensam que eles
Mahaprabhu
são
when he
tattvadas.
came
Então,
in that
Mahaprabhu,
temple
quando ele veio,
and cut their
ele
philosophy.
cortou a filosofia.
But no, you are not Tattvadi.
Vocês não são tattvadas.
You are
Vocês são
Madhurya form. The Mahaprabhu established this.
What's Tattvada?
Tattvadi means is only you are acquired the knowledge. Tattva. Okay, this tattva, Jeev tattva, Maya tattva, Bhakti tattva, tattva.
tattvadas e quer dizer
I
que
know,
eles
only
só
know
adquirem
tattva. You have to
conhecimento.
enter in the
Não só tattva.
Brajarash
Tem
Madhurya.
que adentrar Brajarasa Madhurya.
Sama Veva Parama Rupam. There are Krishna's many types of form. But
Krishna tem
topmost
muitas
form,
formas,
that is
mas a
Samarup.
forma mais elevada é Shyamarasa.
Gopavesh, Venuka, Nabhaktisur, Natavar, Naralilar, Hoy, Anurup. Gopavesh. Very nice, beautiful.
O nome dele é muito belo.
Dibuj Muralidhara, Sama Sundar. Same Rama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta, Sundarja Mohita Samasta Jagat Janasya, Samasya Bama Baddhatun Kadaham, Tam Indira Varambam. Rupa Goswami Pad wrote this.
Rupa Goswami Pada escreveu esse verso.
Krishna's toughest form.
Fala da
And
forma mais
Srimati
elevada.
Radhika, she also manifests her topmost form when Krishna's in the Rasya.
Com Krishna na dança da raça.
Same Rama Ramanam Sundarasta Varishta Sundarja Mohita Samasta Jagat Janas. Srimati Krishna manifests his topmost form in the Rasya. Why? Because Srimati Radhika.
Lila, por quê? Porque Srimati Radhika está lá.
Radha age Krishna Jidi Rahe Dandaya Tribhanga Lalithaye Bhruna Chaya. Chaitanya Charitamrita. You read Chaitanya
Leia
Charitamrita.
Chaitanya Charitamrita.
राधा आगे कृष्ण यदि रहे दंडैया त्रिभंग ललिताय भ्रूणच. When Srimati Radhika is coming, Krishna in front of Srimati Radhika,
Krishna fica na frente de Srimati Radhika.
then Krishna automatically has
Automaticamente,
three band phone.
ele mostra essa
Tribhanga
forma
Lalita.
curvada em duas partes.
So
Tribhanga
Chaitanya Chaitanya राधा आगे कृष्ण यदि रहे दंडैया त्रिभंग ललिताय भ्रूणच. So Madhacharya, that is, you can see, that is your three-band-fold Krishna. That means Radha Bhavi. More.
Thakurji de Madhvacharya tem essa forma curvada em três
Good
partes.
Prema.
Hari Haribo.
Gurudeva, quando o Hiranyaksha escondeu a terra no oceano, oceano de leite ou oceano de lodo?
What is it?
He's saying when Hiranyaksha hid in the earth, it was a milk ocean or was a mud ocean?
Madhu, sir?
Of mud, the ocean of mud. Of,
Earth.
earth, yeah. When he hid in the earth.
Oh, where
Pretty.
is...
Yeah, he stole it and then he
did not
put.
say he stole.
Yeah.
Prithvi Devi.
Yeah, he's
So
asking.
the Prajadin, that is your Prithvi.
Yeah, he's
This
asking.
statue he put in the and ocean. Of the,
Which ocean? Which ocean?
Huh?
He was asking which ocean? Milk ocean, mud ocean, which ocean?
Mad ocean, this is what they mean. Yeah, they know what of mud ocean. That is the water of, what is called? Prakriti, no?
Prakriti.
Earth, that water.
Mm.
Causes, what is it called?
Causal, oceano causal.
Garbhodat sai
Ele
Vishnu.
falou que esse de lodo não existe, é oceano causal. É.
Estava escrito lá, Garbhodat
It's he's asking if it's impure. This ocean is impure.
Not in.
Não é impuro. Não é um oceano impuro. Ele
Your
só
mind
escondeu.
is, if your mind is pure, you are saying impure.
Depende da sua mente.
अच्छा चलो बोलो वृंदावन यार
Já.
माया देवी की